is Rachana Kurdikar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is yet another video of Do It Along Dot Mandala on a stone, and today we will look into this design. So this is slightly bigger stone and I have base coated it with black acrylic color on both sides and allowed it to dry for around 20 minutes. So let's go ahead with this design.
So here I have base coated the stone with black acrylic paint. I'll mark the center point and with the help of pencil and the compass, draw concentric circles. Those who have seen my previous video will know that drawing a center point on the stone isn't easy since the stone comes in various shapes and they are not always round. So you need to eyeball the center point. So here I'm drawing the fifth circle. Next, I will draw two lines, one vertical and one horizontal, and two diagonal lines. So here my grade is ready. I'll use a dotting tool and put a white dot in the center. It would be slightly larger dot, and next I will go with dotting tool number 2 and put pink dots around the white dot. Now these pink dots have to fall on the grid lines. Next I will use dotting tool number 4 and put golden dot between two pink dots. When doing dot mandala, you need to have a lot of patience and it's really time consuming, so you require to do this in your leisure time. So here we go dot by dot slowly and we are done with the third round. I'll use a dowel and put white dot between two golden dots. Since the surface of the stone is little rough, so the dots may not be round, I need to re-dab the tool onto the stone a number of times to make it round. So you need to take care that the dots are round and they fall in place. A slightly misplaced dot and it will look very shabby. So you need to do it with lot of concentration. I'm using slightly bigger dowel and putting pink dots in between white dots. Next, I'm using dotting tool number 2 and putting golden dots around the pink dots, very close to it. The biggest hint here is you need to dip the tool only once and then complete the dots on the left hand side and dip it in the paint again and then continue on the right hand side. So you dip the tool, go dot 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 and dip the tool and go dot dot dot. So we are using only 3 colors over here: pink, white and gold. So we are almost at the end of the round. Next, I'm using dotting tool number 3 and using white paint, putting dots around the golden dots. It's the similar way, just dip in the paint, go dab dab dab, dip in the paint, go dab dab dab. If you have not seen my previous videos, do make sure you see them. I have put videos on Mandala Art and also on Dot Mandala, so you will get an idea of both kind of paintings. So here we have completed our next round. Next, we can use a dowel and use a golden paint and put golden dots These stones that we paint can be used as a paperweight, a table piece, or it can also be used as a showpiece. Next, I'm using dowel number 4 and putting white dots in between the golden dots. Next, we'll have yet another round, and this time we'll use the same dotting tool and put another round of dots below the previous white dot. I'm using dotting tool number 3 and putting a pink dot in between the center of white dot. If you like my video, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for new notifications. So I'm using the same dotting tool again and putting pink dots onto the golden dots. Next, I will use white paint in the center of the pink dots using the same tool. So dotting the center of the dot will give a different look to your design. As you can see, it's looking quite pretty now. So hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. See you in my next video.